Welcome to the Government and Public Services Chatbot Preview. This intelligent chatbot is designed to simplify how citizens access essential public services and information, making their experience guided, transparent, and completely effortless. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message, followed by a main menu featuring 5 key service options: ID and documents, schemes and benefits, health services, police and legal, and local services. These are standard public service categories, but they can be fully customized to meet specific departmental or regional requirements. When a user selects schemes and benefits, the chatbot presents a structured category list. After choosing a relevant category, the user can select a specific scheme or service within that section. The chatbot then provides clear and concise information, step-by-step guidance on how to apply, and the official link for further processing, ensuring users receive accurate and reliable assistance. With a simple conversational flow and easy navigation, the Government and Public Services chatbot helps citizens access the information they need quickly, efficiently, and with complete transparency. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our Start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can display all types of content such as images, videos, PDFs, and more through different nodes. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of Government and Public Services chatbot, template installation process, and Flow Builder overview.